This video is sponsored by Loova, an all-in-one AI platform that's quickly becoming popular in the creator space. It brings together multiple powerful tools in one place like Seedance, Pixverse, Kling, VO, and more, making content creation faster and easier than ever. But today, we're focusing on the most trending and hottest tool right now, Seedance AI. With Seedance, you can generate stunning videos just from text. All you have to do is write a prompt, and within seconds it turns your idea into a cinematic video. Let's try a simple prompt. You can upload image, add prompt, and Seedance will animate it into a realistic video. Loova offers flexible pricing plans depending on your needs, whether you're just starting out or creating content daily. These are limited-time offers, and you will get unlimited Seedance and access to Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro for 365 days. Supercharge your workflow with Seedance. It is the secret weapon you have been looking for. Click the link given in the description. Okay, now move on to our other video generator tool, Catalyst AI. Open your browser and search for Catalyst AI. Click on the first search result to open it. You will also find its link in the video description. This is a powerful tool that turns your simple script into a cinematic storyboard and high-quality AI videos within seconds. The process is extremely simple. You can convert your script into a storyboard with just one click, where the AI automatically finds characters and scenes for you. You don't need any prior AI experience because this tool works as a bridge between your ideas and advanced technology. The most impressive part is that it speeds up your production time by 4 times, meaning work that used to take weeks can now be completed not in days, but in minutes. Using this tool is so easy that anyone can create professional-level storytelling. First of all, you need to click on Start for free and sign in. After that, you will see an interface like this. Here, you'll find many pre-made templates that you can customize according to your needs. However, we are not going to use any template. Instead, we will create a complete story video from scratch. For that, I click on the New Project button. Here, you get 2 options. The first one is a blank project, where you can start everything from scratch. The second option is Generate from Idea or Script, and this is the one we are going to use. Here, you get 2 more options. The first one allows you to provide just your video idea and set how many scenes you want to generate. The AI will create the script, storyboard, and everything else automatically. The second option is for those who already have a script. You can upload your script here, or simply click on Paste from Clipboard and paste your script directly. After pasting the script, I click on Continue. Now, the tool analyzes my script and breaks it down into scenes, just like it has done here. If you want to edit anything, you can click on the Edit button and make changes. I strongly recommend manually reviewing everything to ensure that the scenes match your script properly. You can also change the aspect ratio from here. Since I am creating this video for YouTube, I keep it in landscape mode. After checking everything, I click on Next. Now, you need to choose the style for your project. Here, you have a wide range of options available, such as a cinematic realistic look, sketch, or storyboard sketch if you want a hand-drawn feel, dynamic ink, oil painting, 3D computer animation, and even anime or cartoon styles if you want to create animated stories. You can select any style based on the mood of your story. I want a completely realistic video, so I select Cinematic, and then I click on Proceed to Cast. At this stage, the tool automatically generates characters. My story only had 3 characters, and it has designed them very accurately. By clicking on the Edit button, you can modify your characters, change their names, descriptions, clothing, or even their voices. Once you make your desired changes, you can save them. In my case, the characters are already perfect, so I click on Create Project and move to the final page. Now, the tool starts generating images for all the scenes. Once the images are ready, we will convert them into videos. This tool is genuinely fast. It generates all the images in less than a minute. You can now see how beautifully it has designed the entire storyboard like a professional storyteller. In the beginning, 2 people are in a vegetable field. Then they pick vegetables, move near the road, set up a stall. A customer comes, buys vegetables, and leaves. Creating an entire story in one go with consistent characters like this is not something every tool can handle. If you want, you can create new frames from here. You can also add chapters, characters, or locations if needed. If any image doesn't look right, you can edit it or completely regenerate it. For example, if you want to modify something in the same image, You can write your changes in the fine-tune section. If you want to regenerate the entire image, simply go to Create New Image, paste your prompt, and it will generate a new one for you. I highly recommend reviewing all images carefully. If any location looks incorrect or anything feels unusual, you can fix it from here. Once the images are finalized, click on the timeline section, where we convert these images into videos. Here you can add music or voice. If you want to add voice, simply paste the text here. After that, you need to choose a narrator. All the characters from your story are available here. You can also select from many realistic AI voices. Additionally, if you want narration for the entire story, you can click on Add Narration and include it. Since we don't want to add anything here, I directly click on Generate All Videos. Now, you need to choose a video generation model. All trending AI video generators are available here. Each model consumes credits differently, so you need to select carefully. Otherwise, if the generated videos don't meet your expectations, your credits could be wasted. I choose Google Veo 3.1 because it is cost-effective, delivers excellent quality, and also generates voice along with the video, making the story feel more realistic. After selecting the model, I click on Generate Videos. Now, you need to wait a little. This process can take around 2 to 4 minutes, so patience is required. Now our videos are generated, and the full story is ready. Let me play it for you. It feels like something is still missing, and that is background music, which we will add separately. If you still want to change anything in the video, you can click on the Edit button. For example, you can change the duration of any clip or add dialogue. Just add the dialogue text, select the character, and generate. It's that simple. Everything looks perfect in our video, so I click on the Export button. From here, you can export your project in different formats, such as a presentation link, all images in a zip file, shooting board, PowerPoint project, Adobe Premiere Pro project, video file, or even save it as a template. You can choose according to your needs. Since I want to export the video, I click on Video, and the export process starts. After exporting the video, I want to add background music, so I import this video and a background music file into Filmora. After placing both on the timeline, I extract the audio from the music file and delete the video part because I only need the music. Then I adjust it properly, cut and remove unnecessary parts, and adjust the volume so it doesn't sound too loud. Once everything is set, I export the video, and here is the final result.
This one looks good.
So you've seen how you can use Catalyst to generate an entire story from just a script or even a simple idea, with excellent character and environment consistency. If you spend hours creating AI content but still don't get good results, you should definitely try Catalyst at least once. The link is in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.